video, I'll demonstrate how to repair a jumper hole. First of all, unpick a small part of the seam from the sleeve. This is done because you will need to cut a small thread that is the exact identical color, making the stitching invisible. Pass the thread to your sewing needle and place your hand under the hole to begin sewing. In this example, the damaged part of the jumper is missing some strands. Therefore, new strands will need to be stitched, so an identical color thread and stitching pattern are very important. Pass the thread through the strands one by one. Continue mending while following the same pattern as the rest of the jumper. Stitch horizontally from the bottom strands to the top, mending the missing strands in between and then back down. Repeat this patiently with consistency throughout. After finishing, turn the jumper around and pass the thread through a few more strands to make it stronger. Stitch the seam back and iron your jumper lightly. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.